everyone, it's me, Lauren Cadillac with Cadillac Law, coming to you today to share very exciting news for those of us who are living in Texas. As always, before we get started, nothing I'm doing here or saying here is creating an attorney-client relationship between us. This is not legal advice. This is just things I've learned over time and I'm sharing with you, okay? Make sure you hit like and subscribe also. Feed the algorithm for me, folks. Okay, it's so exciting. And it's official. So in August, in a special session, the legislature and Greg Abbott signed a bill to raise the Homestead Exemption to $100,000. However, that bill did not become a law until the citizens of Texas voted on it in early November, and we decided for it. Yes. So this law did a lot of great things to help us with taxes as property owners, business owners, etc. So this is huge news for the state of Texas. It's very exciting. As to the Homestead Exemption, it's now raised to $100,000 worth of value. I think it was $25,000 before, but maybe it was $50,000. So it's at least doubled. So that's $100,000 that you don't have to pay taxes on, right? And they're saying on average, the average Texan homeowner is going to save between $1,250 and $1,450 just from that. Actually, I got my estimated taxes already, and it was about $1,300. So that really aligns. So that is super incredibly exciting there. So everyone who owns property, if it's a homestead property, you should see that tax burden go down. Yay. Okay, also, this tax bill reduced the business personal property taxes. So those of us who own businesses in the state of Texas not only had to pay income tax on our income, not only did we pay tax when we purchased things like our phones and whatnot that we use for the business, but every year we were forced to pay taxes on the things we owned for the business to run the business. So even though I already paid tax on the phone, I'm paying tax again because I own it. So the business personal property cap went up, and many business owners, including myself, will not even have a tax bill. It is, I think, $50,000. The first $50,000 won't be taxed on that VPP. Don't quote me on that though, y'all. This is not legal advice. You have to go verify. I need to verify that one for you and let you know. But I do know I got my VPP bill, my personal one, and it said, hey, guess what? You don't owe money. So if your VPP was low, I think my business personal property value was I don't know, $12,000. It's probably less now that I moved into an even smaller office. But I was paying probably about $50 a year in taxes, which is stupid if you ask me. But now I'm not paying any. So thank you, citizens in Texas, for voting and affirming this bill and voting for us to have this huge reduction. Now, I do want to remind you all that us paying $1,200 to $1,400 less a year in taxes will create a $1,200 to $1,400 per year per property deficit in the budget. So you better believe that these counties are going to come hard when they do their valuations next year. That means it is super important. January 1st is the day they're assessing the value. So it's important that you take photos of the condition on January 1st. I mean, you can take the photos today or a few days after January 1st, but take them during the holiday break, okay? It's important that you collect those things, and it is important that those issues exist on January 1st, because I promise you, they're going to get less money, but they need the money. They have to replace the money somehow. So how are they going to do that? Values will increase. And that's a justifiable increase because of the immigration we've had from Florida and California and Tennessee. And I don't know why you would leave a nice weather place to come here, but hey, it's all right. We're a lovely state. Texas is the best. I do get that everyone wants to be like us. So this is huge. This is great news, and I'm just super happy to share it with everyone. You should look forward to your bill, and you should see that on your homestead, it's gone down dramatically. So as always, thank you so much. Hit like, subscribe, and give us a call if you need any legal assistance.